Hello, this video I'm going to show a quick introduction to using the CounterPath provisioning system. To get to it, you need to go to this URL here, which you should have been emailed by ProView. Once you're in there, you'll have been assigned a username and password that you need to use to log in, and the username will look something along the lines of this, possibly with a different number in there because we have several different trial accounts. And then you need to type the password in, which again will be sent to you in an email. Once you've logged in, you should have a screen that looks like this, and you need to click on the folder at the left hand side here, which is where you see your actual user accounts, of which there shouldn't be any when you first log in the first time. For trial purposes, we've assigned up to 4 users in here and a device limit of 8, which means each user you set up can log into 2 different devices at once if they want to. Quickly, how to set a user up in here. You click on New, and all the important stuff is over on the right hand side here. First of all, you need to give them a username and password for the provisioning. And this is what they will actually log into the Bria application using. So you just need to make something up. So I'll just call one test user here. And then password, again, just make it up. Make sure it's something pretty secure though, because that's going to be associated with your SIP account details further down. So you wouldn't want that to be easily guessable. And then once you've put those two in, the other things you need to put in here are some SIP account details. Now this SIP account will be on whatever SIP PBX or hosted platform you want to use the Bria application with. So you'd put some details in here. As an absolute minimum, you'd probably want an account name in there. So if I was going to set an account up here to use our Office PBX, I might do something like this. You need a username and password. Might want a display name, and you'll want a domain and a proxy address, which will be dependent on whatever SIP system you're using. Generally speaking, that's pretty much all you need in there. Once you've done that, hit save at the top, and then that's the user setup configured in the provisioning platform. And you can see there that it's currently signed into none of 2 devices. So the next thing you'd need to do is on your phone or your desktop or on your tablet PC, go and download the Bria application. When you search the App Store for the application, make sure you download the Stretto version, which has a red logo, because you might find other versions there, but they won't work with this provisioning platform. When you install the Stretto application and run it, it will ask you for a username and password to sign in, and that username and password is what you've put in at the top here. So the username is the full user at domain, and then the password you've typed in there. So in this case, the username will be testuser@proview.trial1.co.uk, and the password is whatever you've typed in there. And then that should be it. The application will call home to the provisioning platform and download whatever SIP settings you've typed in here. If you have any problems, please get in touch with ProView. Either email contact@proview.co.uk or give our office a ring on 01484 840048.